Hi guys, I'm Fernanda Romero. I'm an actress, influencer, and a mommy. Yes, I'm a mom that is always on the go. I need to be ready in 5 minutes all the time. So as you know, I'm always sharing like beauty tips, and winter's coming and we have to have our skin prep for those dry days. You do not want to look like a raisin. So I'm gonna unbox the November BeautyFIX box from Dermstore, and I'm very excited because the products in that box are gonna come very handy to you. Are you guys ready? Okay, our first product is gonna be the Glytone Rejuvenating Mini Peel that you can do at home. And this is a full size, which is awesome. I love full sizes, guys. Glycolic, it's very good for fine lines, wrinkles. You must have this if you wanna have good skin. It's a must. And it's a mini peel that you can do at home, so it's super easy. And it's a gel, as you can see. Ooh, I know this brand. Okay, this one is one of the first brands I used when I got into skincare. They're my Logica, an intensive moisture cleanser. This cleanser won't strip your skin. So it will remove your makeup, but it won't strip it. And that is very important because you want good oils on your skin as well. So, love this one. So, ooh, okay, I like this one. I like them both. We have the Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner from Sachajuan. These two are gonna help you through the winter days, yes. It's great for color-treated hair, like mine. I know, I'm sorry guys. It's not a virgin hair, I don't get those highlights. It's treated, yes, and I need help, and you need to moisturize. If not, it's gonna look a little brittle, and you don't want that. You gotta keep it moisturized and shiny, and these two babies are gonna help with that. So they're really good for any kind of hair. Ooh, okay, this one, I'm intrigued. Arcona. Okay, I've heard this brand for a while. I have a friend that she uses it and for a long time, and her skin is flawless, like poreless. Won't clog your pores, which that's good to know in a product. It's a gel, it's called the Magic White Ice, and you can use AM, PM. We're gonna check it out. It has cranberry and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. That's where my accent comes in. It's very hydrating. I just feel like I'm applying water on my skin. Wanna look dewy. If you know me, you know I love my skin to look plumpy, fresh, all about that youth, guys. Okay, next. Ooh, I like this brand. Herbivore is the coconut body oil. Coconut oil, it's very good for your skin. I was bathing myself on it while I was pregnant. I have 0 stretch mark, guys. Yeah, I'm not kidding. 0 stretch marks, but I was bathing myself like this, but like a lot, all over. But it's worth it because it has maximum hydration, it helps with your skin texture, and it lasts longer versus other creams, like body creams. Body oil from coconut is fantastic. Next is Neostrata. Now, this is a Restore Bionic face cream. I haven't used it yet, but I've heard wonders. That it's very good to use after any like skin procedure for healing. So it's filled with like a lot of antioxidants and has algae, which algae is very good and potent for your skin. Definitely hydrating, and it's a little thicker, which I like. Especially if my skin is super dry, I like to put another layer and let it sit for a little bit before I apply makeup. So I'll be using this after my microneedling. Exciting. Next is Sanitas. Okay, I haven't used this product. I've heard about it, and a lot of actors, bloggers swear by it, and they do have pretty good skin. So I'm excited to try this Scrub Detoxifying Scrub Mask. I like to scrub because it just helps with the texture, and also during winter days you get like a little flaky if you don't moisturize, and you don't want that. You don't want to look bad. So you use a little bit of a scrubbing. Now this one is not as aggressive, which is good because you won't take away good skin oils, and you do circular motions, guys, always, to promote circulation. So I'll be trying this. Last one, Emma Hardy. Okay, this is an oil cleanser, and I didn't know much about oil cleansers before because I just didn't know that oil dissolves oil. I know it sounds weird, but that happens and it works wonders. You guys have to try it. I've been doing it and I do notice my skin healthier, not redness, not dry, and especially in the winter, you do not want to dry more your skin. So this is great. It will dissolve your makeup right away and you just wash it off. And it has moringa, which is a great antioxidant. See how nice? It's oil. And don't get scared, like it just rinses like that, really fast. And you still have a glow. So Emma Harding, I love it. Okay guys, so we are done. We finished doing the unboxing BeautyFIX from Dermstore. I hope you like it. By the way, this box is only $24.95. It's insane. Like, I buy a lot of stuff and it's a great deal. I'm just saying you get like great products, great quality, and it's your skin, and you have to always look out for your skin because you got one canvas, guys, only one. If you like this video and you want to know more about the products, go to beautyfix.com.